Hi, I'm Maura, your English teacher. Welcome to your first English lesson. Lesson 1. Saying hello. This is Sarah. And this is George. George and Sarah are at a park in London. Excuse me. Hello. Hi, I'm Sarah. What's your name? My name is George. Nice to meet you, George. Nice to meet you too. Are you from London? No, I'm not. And you? Yes, I am. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye. Now let's talk about grammar. I am is the same as I'm, but I'm is a short form. You are is the same as your, but your is a short form. I'm Sarah. You're George. I'm Sarah. You're George. Are you from London? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, I am is a positive answer. No, I'm not is a negative answer. Now let's talk about the vocabulary. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello. Hello. The H in hello is pronounced h. Hello. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What's your name? What's your name? My name's George. My name is George. Are you from London? Are you from London? Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye. Congratulations! You have completed your first lesson. You can find a PDF with exercises and solutions in the description below.